I'm at the Dubai Airshow 2025, and the energy is unreal. This isn't just about planes, it's a look at the future of travel and the wild tech making it possible. We'll break down the biggest surprises and innovations, from futuristic aircraft to AI in the cockpit, and trust me, you'll want to stick around for the secret prototype that stole the show. Let's dive in. Let's start with the hardware, the new planes. 2025 marks a real shift in design. The classic tube with wings is giving way to radical shapes. The Ethelred 5, a blended wing body from Europe, looks like a giant stingray and promises up to 30% less fuel burn. Inside, it's more lounge than cabin, totally rethinking passenger experience. On the business jet side, Velocity Aero's V1 is almost entirely 3D printed, making it lighter, stronger, and faster to build. The seamless integrated design is a leap forward, less assembled, more grown. Hypersonic concepts are also making waves. One U.S. contractor showed a Mach 5 passenger jet, NY to London in under 90 minutes. The real challenge? Managing the heat. They're using ceramic matrix composites to handle temperatures that would melt titanium. Thermal management displays showed how they keep passengers safe at those speeds. So, we're seeing two trends: massive, efficient blended wings for mass transit, and high-speed, high-tech jets for specialized markets. Aircraft design is finally breaking out of its old mold. The sky's about to look very different. These innovations aren't just for show, they're shaping the next era of flight. Efficiency, speed, and manufacturing breakthroughs are all converging. The future of aviation is here, and it looks nothing like the past. Whether it's lounge-like cabins or jets built in weeks, the possibilities are endless. The silhouettes in the sky are about to get a lot more interesting. This is just the beginning. Let's see what's next. Stay tuned. Sustainability is the word on everyone's lips. The biggest leap? Sustainable aviation fuel, or SAF. New refineries will triple global supply by 2030. The best part? It's a drop-in fuel. No need for new engines or planes. Airbus A350s already run on 50% SAF, aiming for 100% soon. Electrification is also taking off, especially for short routes. The latest air taxis, like the Aura EV5, are nearly ready for commercial use. Quieter, smarter, and with swappable batteries for quick turnarounds. Hydrogen is the long-term play. Airbus's Zero concepts use hydrogen combustion, but the real challenge is storing liquid hydrogen at 253 degrees Celsius. The prototype tanks are engineering marvels, but scaling up infrastructure is the next hurdle. The industry's approach is multi-pronged. SAF for now, electric for short-haul, hydrogen for the future. No single magic bullet, just real progress on all fronts. For the first time, it feels like sustainable flight is within reach. The tech is here, and the investment is real. The green revolution at 30,000 feet is happening. It's not just talk. Aviation is changing for good. Cleaner, smarter, and more efficient travel is on the horizon. The future of flight is sustainable, and it's coming faster than anyone expected. Let's keep pushing forward. The sky's the limit. On to the next breakthrough. Every night, the Dubai Airshow sky transforms with a drone show like no other. Over 5,000 drones move in perfect sync, creating massive animated 3D sculptures. This year, dynamic multicolor LEDs let them paint the sky with full-color scenes: Earth, Mars, even a giant falcon. The choreography is powered by advanced algorithms and a secure mesh network, coordinating thousands of drones in real time. It's not just art. This tech has real-world uses, from search and rescue to infrastructure inspection. One highlight: drones formed a giant QR code, letting the audience interact with the show via AR on their phones. It's a new art form. Robotics, software, and creativity merging in the sky. The scale and fluidity are breathtaking. These displays show that aviation's future isn't just about travel, it's about creating experiences. The drone ballet is a glimpse of what's possible when tech and imagination collide. It's beautiful, brilliant, and unforgettable. The future of flight is as much about wonder as it is about speed. And here, you can see both. Let's see what else the show has in store. The air show isn't just about tech, it's where the biggest deals in aviation happen. This year, a Middle Eastern airline ordered 150 next-gen wide-bodies, over $50 billion at list prices. The spectacle of the signing sets the tone for the whole event. It's not just Airbus and Boeing. Regional and business jet makers are making major moves too. Leasing companies are now super buyers, placing speculative orders for hundreds of planes, betting on future demand. Engine makers and suppliers like Rolls-Royce and GE are landing multi-billion-dollar contracts alongside the airframers. Defense deals are also huge, with nations finalizing fighter jet and missile system purchases. These deals ripple through the entire industry: engines, avionics, seats, and more. The financial bedrock of the Airshow is what makes all the innovation possible. The sheer scale of investment shows the industry's confidence in the future. It's a high-stakes game, shaping aviation for years to come. The business side is just as dramatic as the tech. Every handshake here is a bet on what's next. The future of flight is being written in real time. Let's see how it unfolds. Now, let's talk software, the brains behind the planes. AI is transforming aviation, moving beyond autopilot to become a true co-pilot. The latest systems analyze weather, traffic, fuel, and aircraft health, giving pilots real-time, optimized decisions. It's not about replacing pilots, but reducing their workload and boosting safety. Predictive maintenance is another game-changer. AI spots issues before they become problems, saving money and preventing delays. Real-time dashboards track entire fleets, flagging components for inspection. AI-powered simulators create dynamic, adaptive training scenarios, pushing pilots to their limits safely. It's a quiet revolution, software making flight safer, more efficient, and more reliable. You might not see it, but AI is reshaping aviation from the cockpit to the hangar. The future of flight is as much about code as it is about wings. Smarter systems mean safer skies. And this is just the beginning. Let's see who's taking notice. The Dubai Airshow isn't just for engineers. It's a magnet for VIPs, royalty, and celebrities. World leaders tour new jets. Formula One bosses swap ideas with aerospace execs, and legendary astronauts inspire the next generation. A-list actors even co-pilot demo flights, adding buzz to the displays. When high-profile guests show interest, it brings prestige and can accelerate deals. Tech billionaires are here too, eyeing eVTOLs, drones, and AI startups, the next frontier for investment. The human element is crucial. Ambition, influence, and vision drive the industry as much as technology. These appearances aren't just for show, they shape headlines and open doors. Aviation is about people as much as machines. The drama, the deals, the dreams, they all come together here. The future of flight is a convergence of old-school might and new-school innovation, and it's all happening at the Airshow. Throughout the show, one hangar was shrouded in secrecy. On the final day, the doors opened to reveal the Chimera, a hybrid electric regional aircraft from a stealth startup. Its radical design, long, glider-like wings and distributed electric fans embedded along the trailing edge. The turboprops act as generators, powering the electric fans for incredible efficiency. The result? 50% quieter, 40% less fuel burn, and the ability to use short runways, opening up thousands of new airports. The engineering is stunning. Seamless integration, highly automated cockpit, and AI managing power in real time. The philosophy? Combine the energy density of jet fuel with the efficiency of electric propulsion. It's not fully electric, not just combustion, a pragmatic, brilliant bridge to the future. The Chimera isn't the biggest or fastest, but it's the most disruptive. It solves real problems: efficiency, noise, accessibility. Right now, not decades away. This was the true showstopper, a glimpse of the immediate future of flight. The buzz around the Chimera was electric. It's a tangible, achievable leap forward. The kind of innovation that changes everything. The future of regional air travel just got a lot closer. This is the one everyone will remember. Sometimes the biggest surprises come from the quietest corners. The Chimera is proof that the next revolution in flight can come from anywhere. And it's already here. That's a wrap from the Dubai Airshow 2025. From radical designs to the Chimera's reveal, it's clear aviation's future is smarter, cleaner, and more exciting than ever. For me, the Chimera was the standout: practical, clever, and real. What impressed you most? The deals? The tech? The drone ballet? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, hit subscribe for more deep dives into the future of technology. There's a lot more coming you won't want to miss. Until next time, peace. The future of flight is just taking off.